Hello there, good people. Hi, sorry I've been absent for a few days. Jason here with Green Country Agroforestry. We've been having some technical difficulties with equipment. I don't know if this is even going to record audio, but let's go ahead and try it anyway. If you can see behind me, nature is going bonkers out here. And one more thing, it's time to do some harvesting. Well, before I get started proper, I'm going to have to get this sharpened up a little bit. Hi there. Got to keep your tools maintained. Just give me a minute. So after I've used the stone here for a bit, I've got the face. Get that face nice and shiny. Now, at this point we want to remove the burrs, so we flip it over to the back side, and there'll just be a little bit of a burr there, so just bring the stone across the back edge to remove the burr. Steel dust there. Yeah, that should do the trick. So, for safety's sake, you want to cut away. So people using hand sickles to harvest grain are called reapers. People think that, I mean, it's a common misconception that that's what the scythe is reaping. But the scythe is actually for mowing. That's what using a scythe is. Reaping is done with a sickle, like this, hand sickle. And it was customary in the places that grew grains in the old days that whenever the workers came through, you would always have little heads of grain that stick off to the side, and you weren't supposed to harvest those. The reason you're not supposed to harvest those is because there's going to be the poor people that come through, and they need food too, you see, and they can come through and they can pick the grains here that are all around, and that way they can have a way to feed themselves without suffering the indignity of having to beg. All right, next step is going to be threshing this out. So we're going to be separating the wheat berries from the chaff and the straw and everything else. I don't know if I'm going to have that on this video or not, and if not, well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, you know what to do. I'll catch you next time. Until then, get out there and get growing.